Vinegar smells strong because it releases acetic acid molecules into the air, and those molecules easily evaporate and bind to smell receptors in your nose. Vinegar is mostly water, but about 4 to 8% of it is acetic acid. Acetic acid is a volatile weak acid, meaning it escapes into the air readily. When those airborne molecules reach your nose, they interact with receptors that detect acidic compounds, producing the sharp, sour smell you recognize instantly. Not all liquids smell strong. For a smell to be noticeable, 3 things must happen. Molecules must evaporate easily. They must travel through the air. They must activate receptors strongly. Acetic acid checks all 3. It evaporates fast enough to reach your nose, it dissolves slightly in moisture inside your nasal passages, and it chemically stimulates receptors associated with sour or irritating signals. That combination creates vinegar's distinct penetrating odor. Vinegar doesn't just smell sour, it can feel sharp. That's because acetic acid doesn't only trigger smell receptors. It can also activate trigeminal nerve endings, the same sensory system that detects ammonia sting, spicy heat, or strong fumes. This is why vinegar can make your nose wrinkle or eyes water slightly. Your body interprets it as a chemical signal, not just a scent. This strong smell is actually useful. It tells you vinegar is acidic, chemically active, and capable of reacting with minerals, residues, and bacteria. That's why vinegar works well for dissolving limescale, neutralizing odors, cleaning surfaces. The smell is not just a side effect, it's evidence of the chemistry that makes vinegar effective. Vinegar smells strong because acetic acid molecules evaporate into the air and strongly activate both smell and irritation receptors. The sharper the concentration, the more molecules reach your nose, and the stronger the scent becomes.